Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Farwa Nadeem from Maryland High School. Today I will deliver you a lecture of English class 4th. In our previous lecture, we discussed about amazing animals. Our topic was the secret language of the dolphin. The first thing is amazing animals. What are the things that make animals a very amazing creator? The first thing is they can eat, as I told you in your previous lecture, they can eat, they can reproduce, they can communicate, these are the things, and there are many things, but I am mentioning 3 of them. They can eat, they can reproduce, they can communicate. So these are the things that makes animals a very amazing creature. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss tigers cuddle with apes. Tigers cuddle with apes. In this story, we will learn the behavior of the tiger and the apes. First of all, you should have the concept of tiger and the apes. And cuddle mean embrace, okay, and or settle, you can say. The first thing is tigers. Tigers, what do you get from the word tigers? I know that what are the things that come in your mind, and these are the things that also come into my mind. The first thing is tigers can also eat, they can also reproduce, they can also communicate. And you know that tigers are actually meat eater. And tigers are the species of the cats. These are called the big cats. Big cats. And they are very fast swimmer as well. They can swim very fastly. And you know that tiger is an animal. Now you can tell me that what is the habitat of the tiger? You are very well aware of the term habitat, and you can tell me the habitat of the tiger. You know that tiger lives in forest or rainforest. These are the habitats of the tiger. Now come to the word apes. What you guys are getting from the word apes? Apes are actually the monkeys. Apes is a species of the monkey, mean a type of monkey. I think now the difference between tiger and apes is clear to you. Now let's start. In this story, this is actually a news reporter style story. News report style, or you can say newspaper style report. In any newspaper, you know that there are many articles in any newspaper, and in any newspaper or in any report there are the facts and the opinions also. So in this story they are telling you about the facts and the opinions. Now this is up to you that how you can take that story, how you can differentiate between the facts and the opinions in the story. This is up to you. So first of all, tigers cuddle with apes. In this story they are telling us about the life of the tigers and the apes. In this story they are using the species of the monkey, that are the orangutans. Orangutans is a species of the monkey that have a very big mouth and are very big monkeys actually. And orangutans, they live in Indonesia. And they now there is a question for you, that what is the habitat of the orangutans? What is the habitat of orangutans? You will tell me that what is the habitat of the orangutans. You know that orangutans are the monkeys, and in your science topic you have learned about the habitat of the apes, the monkeys and the gorillas as well. I hope you remember. So in this story, tigers cuddle with apes. There are this story is about the babies of the tiger and the monkeys. The babies of the tigers are called the cubs. They are using the word cubs here, so don't be confused. Cubs word is actually used for the babies of the tigers. So in this story, Damis and Manis, these are the names of the cubs of the tiger. Damis and Manis, these are the names of the cubs of the tiger, and these two were rejected by his mother. And a zookeeper of Indonesia, Taman Safari Zoo, this is the name of the zoo, and the zookeeper of this zoo put Damis and Manis with other two orphan siblings. Siblings mean brother and sister. So the other siblings were of different species. Means this is the species of the tiger, this is another species, and the zookeeper was putting the Damis and the Manis with other species. That was the apes, that was the orangutans. So he was putting the cubs of the tigers with the orangutans. You know very well about the orangutan, that again I am repeating, orangutan is a species of the monkey and that lives in Indonesia, and its habitat is rainforest. So the zookeeper puts Damis and Manis with two other siblings, that are the name of the orangutans were the Nirma and the Nia and the Irma. These were the names of the orangutans. Now what happened? When the zookeeper puts the tiger cubs with the orangutans, because they were babies, they started wrestling, they were very happy with each other, they were enjoying the company of each other. So they take a nap together. Nap means take a sleep, and they eat together. So this was very amazing thing, and because zookeeper was observing them in detail, and zookeeper was giving his own opinion, that it seems like they are very good friends. Have you ever observed that two species, two totally different species, now tiger is totally different from monkey, can these two species be friend? This is your own opinion, that how you take this phrase. So according to the zookeeper, they were very best friends, they were very good friends, because this was his own opinion, that they are good friends. Now you know that there is totally difference between these two creatures. Like I told you that tiger is meat eater, and there is different, that monkeys are banana eaters. So there is difference of the habitat also, that lions, tigers live on land and the monkeys live on the trees. So there is totally difference between these two creatures. Can they be together? This is a question. How the zookeeper thinks that they can live together, they are friends together. And what happened next? After after many weeks, you can see, or months, that with the passage of time there are changes in the bodies of the animals as well. They started growing. The apes, the orangutans also started growing. So there was a complete difference between these two creatures, and because they were growing, there were behavioral changes as well. Tiger, as I told you, is a meat eater, and tiger, we can not even imagine that these two creatures can live together, because they are totally different from each other. So this was the opinion of the zookeeper. After the passage of time, there were changes in the body and the behavioral changes as well. And when the zookeeper see that there is problem in the habitat of these two creatures, there is problem in getting food, they are creating problems in getting food and in living together, then he separated the tiger from the orangutans. Now there are many questions that come in my mind, and they must be in your minds also. The first thing is, why the zookeeper puts the tiger into the orangutan cage? This is a question. Why he do this? He was just giving. Now the question is that why the zookeeper puts the tigers into the cage of the orangutans? You know that these two were without the parents. Tigers were also without the parents, or orangutans were also without the parents. So he just wanted to give them partners, okay, so that they can live their life easily. This was the you can say this was the reason that why the name of the zookeeper is actually the Suwari. Suwari puts the tiger into the orangutan cage. Now I have a question for you, that can you think that the tiger and the orangutans can be good friends? As I told you that newspaper style reports contain both the opinions and the facts. What is the fact in the story and what are the opinions in the story? You will tell me that what is the fact and what are the opinions in the story. So first of all, let me clear you that in any story, in any report, newspaper style report, there are facts and there are the opinions as well. Like as the Sawari, the zookeeper said that I think that they are close friends. So this was the opinion of the zookeeper, that he thinks that they are two friends. So it depends on you that how you think. So this was your topic. I am again going to repeat this out. The first thing that we studied is amazing animals. What are the things that make animals a very amazing creature? The first thing is they can eat, they can reproduce, they can communicate. These are the things that make them a very amazing creature. And what about the tiger? Tiger is actually meat eater, and tiger is a cat species, very big cats. And tigers are the fast swimmer. They can swim in even cold water very fastly. So this is a very good thing. And they are very good predator. Okay, they can catch a prey very easily. The next thing is apes. Apes is a species of the monkey. And in this story they are telling us about another species of the monkeys, that are the orangutans. Orangutans are the species of the monkey that live in Indonesia, that have a very big mouth. And you will tell me what is the habitat of this orangutan species. I told you in the lecture as well. Next thing is that these two creatures, tiger and the apes, they were often, means they were rejected by their parents. So the zookeeper puts the Damis and Manis. These are the names of the tiger cubs. Cubs mean the babies of the tigers. So the zookeeper puts the cubs of the tiger with the orangutans. Why he do this? Just because so that they can live their life happily with their siblings, but they are not actually siblings. Sibling means brother and sister. So when he puts the tiger cubs into the orangutan's cage, he observed that they were wrestling, they were hugging, they were kissing, because they were enjoying the company of each other, because they were babies. And you know that babies loves to get attention. And after few days, zookeeper observed that they are good friends. This was his own opinion, that he is telling us that they were good friends. So after many days, or you can say weeks, there will be changes in the body and the behavioral changes of the tiger and the orangutans. And you know that one species, that is tiger, is meat eater and orangutans are the banana eaters. So they cannot live in the same habitat. There must be that orangutan, they lives on the monkeys and tiger lives on the land. They are totally different from each other. How you can imagine that they can live at the same habitat? For example, if you want to change the habitat of any other animal, let's take an example of the fish. You know that fish have a separate habitat. Fish cannot live on land. So same is the case with these animals, that tiger cannot leave its habitat, and monkeys, they can also leave its habitat. They cannot live without leaving their own habitat. They have their own habitat, lifestyle, reproduction mode, and all these things. And this was the story, and I told you that what was the main reason of putting the tiger's cubs into the cage of the orangutan, just because he just wanted to give them a good time. This was the reason. Now this is your assignment, that you will tell me your own opinion, that what part of the story is actually the fact and what part of the story is actually the opinion. Which part? So you will tell me that which part of the story is fact and which part of the story is opinion. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.